And Mr. Sibal, on that you may be right also for this reason that a whip is a direction to the elected members of the legislature, whether it's in parliament or a legislative assembly or council, that you shall vote in a particular manner, or this is our position on this particular aspect, on the discussion on a bill, or whatever you're doing as an elected legislator. Therefore, that direction to the members is also always
by the way.
outside the
Yes. That I'll demonstrate
the legislature.
I'm sorry.
Shows the relevant rules of the
I
legislature.
will, Malaz. I will, in fact, Malaz, I will show that, and it will be clarified. But my lord is right that from the perspective of the format, your lordships may be right that it is forwarded by, but we'll have to check that. But assuming it doesn't make difference to the
Mr. Sibal, why don't we go straight to the rules of the because the rules of the assembly must be telling us how a chief whip is nominated, how a group leader is
No, rules of the assembly don't say that, Malaz.
Oh.
There is no rule of the assembly, but this is what has been decided. But this is the convention in every political party. Why, Malaz? Because the legislators come into the house on the basis of the symbol given and the election, Malaz, pursuant to which they are in the house. They are governed by the discipline of the party, not their internal discipline in the house. And the discipline of the party, I will, please.
So the rules, Mr. Sibal, therefore, rules of the legislative assembly are silent. There's no guidance.
No, there is no. But there is also, Malaz, there is a particular rule, Maharashtra Legislature Members Removal of Disqualification Act, under which it is made clear. And that your lordships will find at page 140 of the statute compilation. Just let's go there.
Let's quickly go to that.
Yes, let's quickly go there. You should go.
Mr. Sibal, anything here in this compilation so that we are closing it now? We are closing this compilation on our screen, so we can go anything else. If there's something else to be shown here, you can quickly show us and then go to the rule.
But let's see this question has arisen, then I'll go back.
So we might as well complete it from this part here.
Yes, just let's complete this part. Let's see page 1.
Sibal, if I may. Please look at page 710, PDF 723, just in case the essence of the English translation has been lost. This is the same document letter at 710, the same letter that you were pointing out, 25th November 19.
Yes.
It's in Marathi, and that probably will be the essence because it's a translation that you have shown us.
Yes. Yes, I'll go by my Lord the Chief
Justice.
Justice.
More light on that. Honorable
It
Chief
says,
Justice.
गुरुवार दिनांक 31 ऑक्टोबर 2019 रोजी, I mean, I'm sure my learned brothers will get some flavor of it. रोजी शिवसेना भवन दादर मुंबई येथे शिवसेने पक्षाच्या नवनिर्वाचित आमदारांची बैठक शिवसेना प्रमुख माननीय श्री उद्धवजी ठाकरे यांच्या उपस्थितीत संपन्न झाली. महाराष्ट्र राज्य विधानसभा निवडणूक 2019 मध्ये निवडून आलेल्या सर्व नवनिर्वाचित आमदारांनी बैठकीची सुरुवातीलाच या बैठकीत होणाऱ्या निर्णयांचे सर्वस्वी अधिकार अध्यक्ष म्हणून शिवसेना प्रमुख श्री उद्धवजी ठाकरे यांना दिले. याप्रमाणे बैठकीत महाराष्ट्र राज्य विधिमंडळातील शिवसेना पक्षाच्या गटनेता म्हणून आमदार श्री एकनाथ संभाजी शिंदे व विधानसभेतील मुख्य प्रतोद म्हणून आमदार श्री सुनील प्रभू यांची एकमताने निवड करण्यात आली. या दोन्ही निवडींचे 2 ठराव पुढील प्रमाणे आहेत. So it says that, well, all the decisions, the power to take all the decisions was entrusted to Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, and an election was then held at which so-and-so was nominated as a group leader and so was nominated as the chief whip.
Well, that's what I thought, Malaz. The adhikar was given to him, Malaz.
And then it is sort of ratified by all the MLAs.
Yes.
142.
Yes, I hope your lordships are feeling much better today.
Little better, yes. Thank you.
Page 142, Malaz. Section 2.
Just all professional hazards, back, neck.
I know. A person shall not be disqualified from being chosen as or being a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly or Maharashtra Legislative Council merely by reason of the fact that he holds any of the offices specified in Schedule 1. And that at 145 you have Schedule 1, Malaz. And 23, item 23 there is the offices of the Chief Whip or Whip in the Maharashtra State Legislature. Now kindly read the explanation with me, if your lordships and ladyship has it.
Yes.
The offices of the Chief Whip, the expression Chief Whip or Whip in relation to the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly means that member of the House who is, for the time being, declared by the party.
Completely redacted, yeah.
I'm sorry?
Was it redacted? It's actually,
They have
it's
highlighted it.
oh, it's highlighted, but I'm getting
Yellow.
the highlighting.
So much so that there is nothing except yellow here.
Already highlighted. That's,
मेरे पास है.
I also
Oh, okay.
highlighted.
It's all just yellow. Everybody.
We all have,
Why, Malas? How?
They must have highlighted it and then scanned it. So
yeah, so it's come
highlight-
back.
I'm sorry, Malas, for this.
Pre-highlight.
Very surprised. I don't know
I
why.
was also
have-
wondering that I haven't done it.
Amira?
I am surprised myself.
Doesn't matter.
You don't also have it. No, you can read it slowly then, I think.
Yeah, give us a copy later, but you can slowly read. You can read.
Yes, it says.
It's my two
office-
brothers and we can
I
share.
also have it.
I'll pass on, Malas, sir.
See it.
Can I can share.
We can pass.
On a returnable basis or what?
You're giving it to some?
Pass on another one, please.
I have mine is fine.
Just give another for the Chief Justice, please.
No, I have it. My pen drive is okay.
Okay, all right. Now, may I read, Mills? Yes. The expression Chief Whip or Whip in relation to the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly means that member of the House who is for the time being declared by the party forming the government to be the Chief Whip or Whip in that House and recognized as such by the Speaker, and includes a member of the House who is for the time being declared as such by the party, having at least 10% of the total members of the House and recognized as such by the Speaker. The expression Chief Whip or Whip in relation to the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly means the member of the House, that member of the House who is for the time being declared by the party forming the government to be the Chief Whip or Whip in that House and recognized as such by Chairman, and includes a member of the House who is for the time being declared as such by the party having at least 10% of the total members of the House and recognized as such. It's clear, Malas, that this is, there's no doubt about these things, Malas. I read to your lordships yesterday, in fact, the communication by the chairperson of the UPA to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha that after Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, Mr. Kharge is the leader of the legislative party. So on this, there is really no issue, Malas. Page 6, no, Malas, otherwise, page 6. Party Whip. A meeting of all members of the Legislative Assembly on Tuesday on 21st June at 12:30 has been arranged at the Honorable Chief Minister's residence, Varsha Bungalow. Therefore, all members of the Shiv Sena should positively remain present for the said meeting. So that's how, Malas, the issue starts. And this is given by the Party Whip. And Malas, those who are present, they have signed it. We don't have to go into that at the moment. As per Whip, laws have 32 PDF. As per Whip issued by the Chief Speaker of Shiv Sena, Shri Sunil Prabhu, the meeting of members of the Shiv Sena party was concluded on Tuesday, 21st of June, as Chief Minister's residence at Varsha Bungalow, and under the chairmanship of the party president, Uddhav Ji. In the meeting, the following resolution was passed unanimously. Resolution Eknath Shinde, the member of Legislative Assembly, has been removed. Forthwith from the post of Group Leader of Shiv Sena Legislative Party, Ajay Chaudhary, member of Legislative Assembly, has been immediately elected unanimously on the post of Group Leader of Shiv Sena Legislative Party that has become vacant. A copy of the aforesaid resolution, by Article 180 of the Constitution, be forwarded to the Honorable Vice President, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, who is discharging the duties of the post of President, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. Presented by Ravindra Vaikar and Uday Samant and the others. So, Malas, we change him, the party's decision to remove him as the group leader. Then comes Malas PDF page 34, again on 21st of June. Yes, we communicated this decision to the Deputy Speaker, and that your lordships will see to the Vice President, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly.
Page?
It's actually Vice President is the wrong translation, it's the Deputy Speaker. At page 34, Malas. PDF page 34. A meeting of members of Shiv Sena Legislative Party was held under the chairmanship of so-and-so. In this meeting, the following resolution was passed, Mullahs, and that is sent, Mullahs, for appropriate action. Your Lordship sees that. You don't have to read the whole document. Sent for appropriate action. Then, Mullahs, PDF page 36, again 21st of June. Because the party decides to make Ajay Chaudhary the group leader. That also is communicated, Mullahs, to the Deputy Speaker. And that your Lordships will find at page 36. I don't have to read it, Mullahs, it'll just be waste of time. That I am directed to inform you that the request made by the above letter to accord approval to the election of Shri Ajay Chaudhary, member of the Legislative Assembly, to the post has been accepted by the President, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. So he accepts that, Deputy Speaker accepts that. That's how the process is, Mullahs. Party conveys to the Deputy Speaker accepts it. That's in all assemblies in India, including Parliament, Mullahs. Then, Mullahs, kindly come to...
1 minute.
Yes, Mullahs, yes.
Both the resolution which you read,
Yes.
the communications, one removing Mr. Eknath Shinde, correct, and appointing this Ajay Chaudhary, were in the meeting of the legislative party. Please see.
Yes, yes.
They were not the decisions taken, the resolutions were passed in the party meeting.
No, that doesn't happen, Mullahs.
That-
never happens.
That
Mullahs, what happens?
Just for clarity of...
Yes, certainly, sir.
Both these resolutions
Yes.
were in the meeting of the legislative
I
party.
tell your Lordships why. Mullahs, I'll tell your Lordships why. Mullahs, what happens is, it's the legislative party that has to accept a leader. There is always a consultation with the party. The party is represented by Uddhav Thackeray.
Just what we want to say, speaking of myself, it was not in the meeting of the party.
No, it is never.
The
It is never, Mullahs, it is never, Mullahs. Well, I'm explaining that to you, Ultimately, Mullahs, a group leader or a leader in the house has to be chosen. Right? So what the party whip and what the leader of the party does is calls the legislators and says, who would you like to be the leader?